Okay, so I'm going to do a stretchy wrap today. I have the middle marker here, and then we just take the sides, cross it back, cross the other one, so you have a nice X back there, and you want to pull it tight, stretch this out, and you want to make it nice and tight, so when you put them in, you don't have any slack. Stretch it all out. Grab the bottom, put it through a little hole there. Make sure it's all even to be twisted. Then you're going to cross that. And wherever your X is, that's where the little bottom is going to be. So with a newborn, you're going to want that up as high as you can get it without being too high. So we're going to try right there. And then you can wrap it around the back and tie a double knot. So, hi baby, come here. All right, so then we're going to grab our baby. Pop them up on our shoulder. And so then whichever pass is closest to you, we're going to put their leg through that one first. Pop that through there. Pop this leg through there. And then we're going to bounce them down into that nice little seat there. You can stop and take time if you need to calm them down. Get them all cozy. Okay, so then we're going to find this side, the outer edge, and I like to flip the pass. So here it is here. I'm going to reach through, grab the bottom of it, pull it through. So you create a pass, a shoulder flip. It gives it, makes it tighter, makes it a little bit more secure for the baby. So we're going to pull that all the way over to their other knee, and then all the way up across their shoulder. So we got a nice pass all the way across the shoulder there. Okay, then the same thing over here. So we're going to find the side here. Pull that pass through there. Pull it all the way over to his knee on this side. And then we're going to stretch that out up across his back. And then we'll tighten it up a little bit. Make sure he's got that nice steep seat, nice little C curve. Grab his knees and bounce him. Make sure he's got that nice little curve there. So then we've got a nice little shoulder flip. I find it makes it more comfortable. It keeps it off of their face. And then we find that bottom strap. And we'll pop their leg through there. Pop the other leg through there. Find that top rail. Pull that up over their back to give a nice layer of extra support. You can cover their feet if you want, or you can just kind of squish it up under their knees. There we go.